Alright, so this video here, I've got 8 American locks I got on eBay. These are 1100s, and I paid $49 for all 8 of them. They're used. And see if we can pick them open. I don't like that. Some kind of serial number on that. So I hope these aren't master pinned, because that would suck. Kind of takes the fun out of picking them if they end up being master pinned. Something I'm probably gonna just end up doing. So I guess maybe just 8 videos. Plenty of spam for YouTube. And by spam, of course, I mean content. And I guess by content, then I mean spam. It's like really super weak feeling springs on this thing. Oh, I keep oversetting something, I think, here, so let me try to back the wrench out of tats. I got better access to number 1. There we go. Alright, got it real quick here. That took longer than I expected it to for an American. Okay, I do have a key, so key looks like, so we can lock it back here. And a Phillips screwdriver. And I would expect this to be 2 spools and for 3 serrateds, even though I didn't feel spool or anything in it, but that's usually what Americans are. And so that took me, I don't know, 3.5 minutes or something to open, which didn't really expect here. So let's see if I can just gut this kind of fast. First, my fancy pinning tray and my custom follower. Okay, so just dump these out real quick here. So these are stock pins. So it looks like it's number one's gonna be, looks like a 2 cut. It's longer than a 1, I think, and it's not serrated. Anything on Americans, anything above a 2 is gonna be serrated as far as the key pins go. And then on our driver pins here, I put this in the wrong way, so start from the back. So pin 5, yeah, there's like no spring tension on this thing at all. So 5 is serrated. 4, okay, 4 is a spool, but the spool is over a super long pin, so if it's tight enough up, it doesn't even act as a spool. It doesn't act like serrated either, it's just like a standard pin. And 3 is serrated, and 2, it's not even enough spring tension to even make it shoot out. That's super unusual with Americans, though. Okay, so that's 2 that just fell out. 2 is a spool, also over a long key pin. See, this would be better over pin 1, and then number 1 is serrated. And there's all of our springs here. So yeah, a spool being over a super long key pin, it doesn't even act like a spool because it's it's too high up, so just that part of it's at shear or right below shear. The spool's above it already. It's not in the way of anything, so it's not even really it doesn't even act like a security pin. So anyway, it's one of my new Americans here, picked and gutted, and I will post this and then I guess I will pick another one. So let's just see a close up here. Nothing fancy about it. Just stock American pins. Anyways, that's all for now, and we will talk to everybody later.